Hi everyone, welcome to my season, winter season. My name is Winter. I am timeless, classic, luxury, minimal collector. I'm sharing about my classic, timeless, minimal collection and also my HERMES journey. So if you are in HERMES and if you are in about the timeless, classic, luxury, so please don't forget to subscribe, because we don't need to have a huge luxury. I am just a regular person to have a minimal timeless classic luxury. So today we're going to do the unbox the timeless classic from Christian Louboutin. Okay, let's open it together. Do you think what I got the classic one from the Christian Louboutin? Dun, dun, dun. Let's open it together. Oh, I forgot that they provide the two dust bags and the heel. And what I got, the top timeless classic is Kate. 70mm, 70mm. I cannot do 85 or 100. It's too high for me. So let me show you. And of course, it's a ledge. So let me do a close up to you. So let me open. Let me take this one out. What do you think is? The reason this is the black color in a pattern leather, because I want to match my classic timeless double fab from Chanel. It's matching, right? Okay, so let me do close up for you. And this is the side, this one, and this one, and this one the inside, and this one is of course the red. So let me try it on. Pretty, right? I don't know if I try, and you're gonna see. Oh, because I don't know the angle. You will see. I think you cannot see. The red one. And with my classic. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more the classic timeless luxury item. Thank you very much. Bye bye now.